1 minute review for Keep Cool Soothe Cream. This is a repair cream which helps to calm down your skin from skin inflammation or any kind of irritation. This can be used for your face, body, elbows, knees, etc. And this is perfect because the texture is rich mousse type. It does not feel oily on the skin and also has a really matte finish. It gets absorbed into the skin so quickly. I absolutely love this product. It has 4 phyto-green ingredients along with panthenol, which is really great for calming and soothing. It also contains Centella ischitica, which is specially made for sensitive skin people, and also it contains 3 cool keeper ingredients which are really good for people who have skin inflammation and damaged skin overall, and it repairs your skin overnight. You just need to apply evenly on the desired area, and it has a very cool finish. Texture is so soft and it has a very mild smell and also very mild formula. So you can get Keep Cool products exclusively on Maccaron, as this is now launched in India. Get your hands on it now.